Hi guys, Excel Insider welcomes you back to the channel. Today in this episode I will explain about a very amazing and excellent feature of Excel 365. That feature is ideas. You can find it in the home tab in the right corner. You can find it if you have the right version of Excel installed. For example, Excel 365 personal or business. This feature is not available in the free version of online Excel. Ideas is an interactive analysis tool of Excel. You can ask questions to ideas and ideas will return you the answers. It can analyze your data, summarize your data, and even can find the odd points in the data. Guys, let's not waste time in the lecture and move to the hands-on. Here I have a standard sales listing of a toy company where I have so many customers, these many countries, regions, invoice number, 3 years of sales data, so many products with the size, the quantity, price and the value. Now I want to analyze this data for reporting purposes. To get the ideas, just select any cell of your data and click on ideas. Now Excel is analyzing the data. Here Excel has given me some ideas based on the artificial intelligence. Let us see the suggestions what Excel has given. Excel has given me one size wise and product wise pivot table option. Next is the price by product, quantity by region and size. Here Excel has tried to identify the odds in the data. Ideas is telling me that country Switzerland has noticeably higher value. Okay. Show all the results. Size small has majority of the sales value. The next odd in the data is customer 15 has noticeably higher value. Okay. Region Europe has majority of sales value. Okay. Switzerland has the most quantity and so on. Let me go on top. Ideas give you an option to directly insert a pivot table from here. For example, here I want pivot table based on size and product. Just click insert pivot table. My idea number 1 is here and pivot table number 1 is here. Go back to the data. Now I see the quantity by region and size. Just click insert pivot chart. My idea number 2 is here. Basic pivot table is here. The chart is here. Go back to data. Now country wise sales data. Insert pivot chart. My pivot table is here. Chart is here. Go back to data. Now I want a donut chart for size. Just click insert pivot chart. It's done. Now I want to see the breakup of sales value by region. One suggestion is here. Just click insert pivot chart. It's done. Go back to the sales data. Guys, this is how you can pick up the suggestions suggested by ideas. Guys, you can also ask customized questions to ideas. Here I have a ask question box. In this box I can type my question to get my answer. For example, total value by year. Enter. Here is my answer. If I want to get total quantity by region, quantity by region, enter. Here is my data. I can directly insert a pivot chart. Go back. Now I want to see top 10 customers. Top 10 customers by value. Enter. Here is my data. Now I want to see bottom 5 countries by value. Enter. Here is my data. I can see it for the quantity as well. Quantity and enter. Here is my data. Here you can ask any logical question, but you need to make sure that you are using correct table headers to get the correct data. Now I will try some other questions. For example, sales value by year. Enter. Here is my data. By size. Here is my data. Now let me try two variables, quantity by product and size. Enter. Here is my data. I can directly insert a pivot chart. Let me go back. If I want to see value by region and country, here is my data, year and month wise quantity. Here is my data. I can directly export this to an Excel table. Click insert. Here is my data exported to another sheet. Let me go back. Now I want quantity and value both. Here I am getting my data. Now export it to an Excel table. Data is exported. Go back. Guys, these were the questions for summarizing the data. I can also ask ideas to analyze my data. For example, here I type a question, highest value product. Here is my result in 2020. Here is my result in 2019. Instead of highest, if I choose lowest, enter. Here is my data in 2018. Enter. Here is my data in total. Here is my data, highest quantity country. Enter. Here is my data, lowest quantity region. Here is my data. Guys, you can use ideas to generate pivot tables directly from here. For example, here I want a pivot table of value based on customer and country. Customer, country, value, enter. Just click insert pivot table. My pivot table is here. I can do it vice versa as well. Country, customer, quantity. Here is my data, just insert. Here is my pivot table with vertical customer and horizontal countries. Let me go back to the data, region, product, value. Here is my data, insert pivot chart. My pivot table is here. Let me go back. Guys, few more tries to the questions. For example, here I want to see what happened in country Poland. Poland and enter. All the data related to Poland country is here. Insert table. My data is here for the Poland country. Go back. Now I want to see for Eastern Europe. My data is here. Insert table. Here all the countries in Eastern Europe are coming. Playing cards. Insert table. My data related to playing cards is here. Go back. Playing cards in 2020. My data is here. Size big. Enter. My data is here. Now let us check it. The product is correct. Size is also correct. Check the date. Date is also correct. Let me go back. Guys, you can also use AND condition here. For example, I type here Italy and Poland. Here I am getting my data for Italy and Poland and Greece. Now the Greece is added to the table. Same thing can be applied on any of the columns. Guys, here I finish my today's episode. Here you can see that we have generated 18 analytical sheets using ideas. Guys, I hope you must have learned something from this episode. If you have any doubt, you can leave it in the comment section. I will try to resolve it. I will also drop the link of the practice file in the description section. Guys, if you would have liked this episode, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Now I will take a leave. Bye bye. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.